Hey, so let's talk about who are smart property investors. Smart property investors, in my eyes, are who focus on what they do the best and outsource the rest. Okay, so let's say you earning a lot of money. Okay, you don't have time to, and you're busy, and you don't have time to research all the properties, all the mortgages, all the different 100 different components that you have in terms of property purchasing. So how do you make sure that you're more efficient in terms of property purchase, and um, also you're getting the benefit of investing in property and improving your wealth and reducing your taxes and think all those things like that. So according to me, a lot of people, there are a lot of people who just want to try and do everything on their own. They have kids, they have family, they have the jobs which is so demanding, and then they still don't have any time. What happens is they delay their decisions a lot. They say, I'll do it tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes, and they spend 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and they haven't done anything at all. So the smart people, what they do is if they are earning a lot of money, they have the potential, or they will still ask other people. They will find a good team to work with them. A good team would consist of a good property consultant, a good mortgage broker, a good lawyer, for convincing and other things, a good rental company who can look after their rentals and all those things. So there's a lot of other parties involved, but these are the few, like, very, very, critical components of purchasing a property. So you need a good broker, you need a good property consultant to help you with a lot of details in terms of property, help you find the good deals, or help you educate on what's happening in the current market, what strategy can be used to help them buy more properties, and all the other things that come along with the purchase of a property. So if you want to be smart and you want to move faster than the other investors, it's best to find a good team. I'm not saying you blindly trust other people. You find a good team, you check their credentials, you check how they talk and how they respond to your messages or your phone calls and things like that. Once you have a good team together, then your property journey will be much, much faster. You still do your own research, but it won't take you as long. So that, according to me, the people who do what they do the best and outsource the rest are the best smart people, because they can leverage experience from other parties. So for you to understand the whole property consultant side of things, it'll take maybe 2 years, or I don't know how long. Or if you want to understand all what happens in a mortgage process, you'll have to do a lot of research on that, and still you might not end up doing the right thing or the best thing that can be done. So best way is to find good people and rely on them and work with them, and find help ask them to find you the best things possible that can happen, that will advance them in the future as well. So that would be my number one tip in terms of growing a portfolio. um yeah, you have to leverage other people's strengths. You might be in IT, you might be nursing. The property consultant or the mortgage broker, they don't know about IT and nursing, how it works, but they know about their properties, they know about their mortgages. So we need to be friendly with them. Best investors I know, they take their real estate agents and mortgage broker to lunches. They will call them occasionally and find what's happening in the market, any good news or any news that's happening in the market. So that's how they keep track of everything what's happening. So that's what should be our goal. And also that helps you a lot. I think that will make your journey a lot more faster than anything else, I would say. So that was my tip for investors. So and I think it's good for even for home buyers. You need to have good connections with a lot of people to be able to find your dream home. All right, so hope that helps. And I will make some other videos regarding some other topics. That's my goal. I will keep coming back and keep providing you value as much as I can. Thank you.